Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best wax heater is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who wants smooth, hair-free skin from the comfort of their own home. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of wax heaters, exploring their features, ease of use, and overall performance to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're a seasoned waxing pro or a complete beginner, we've got you covered. Number 5. Amazon Basic Ceramic Space Heater. This space heater features a 45-degree oscillation, ensuring the warmth spreads evenly. It covers a wider area, providing maximum comfort throughout the room. You can choose from 3 settings to match your needs. Select high for 1500 W, low for 900 W, or fan only for air circulation without heat. Weighing only 3 pounds and with a size of 7.5 inch L x 6.3 W x 9.5 H, it's easy to move around. It's perfect for your home or office. This heater includes built-in tip-over protection, overheat protection, and a power indicator light. These features ensure safe operation. The ceramic heating technology provides fast and efficient heat in minutes. It operates at a low 43 dB noise level, keeping you warm quickly on cold days. What we like? This heater offers even heat distribution, ensuring every corner of your room stays warm. It also gives you customizable heating options, letting you choose the perfect setting for your comfort. If you are looking for a portable and efficient heating solution for your home or office, you should consider this. What people say. The heater works great. It heats up quickly. The design is sleek and modern. Number 4. Ulike Air 3 IPL Hair Removal Device. Tired of painful hair removal methods? This device offers a nearly painless experience. It uses advanced ice cooling technology to make the process comfortable and effective. The device features a patented ice cooling touch. This system maintains a cool sensation on your skin while delivering the IPL treatment, making it gentle and effective. You can start seeing results in just 3 weeks. This device uses industry-leading IPL technology to provide long-lasting hair removal for both men and women. It's a smart one-time investment that saves you money. Ditch the razors and waxing appointments and enjoy the convenience of long-lasting hair removal from the comfort of your home. This device is designed with safety in mind, using advanced IPL technology. It's suitable for most skin and hair types, ensuring a safe and effective hair removal experience. Always check the safety chart before use. What we like? This device offers nearly painless hair removal, making the process comfortable. You can see results in just 3 weeks, saving you time. If you are looking for a long-lasting and cost-effective hair removal solution, you should choose this. What people say. The heater works perfectly. The design is sleek and modern. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature. Number 3. Healthway Blue Electric Wax Warmer. This wax warmer provides a physical hair removal method. It uses hot wax to adhere to the hair, minimizing skin impact. The heat opens pores, making hair removal easier and less painful. This electric wax warmer is suitable for both men and women. It is perfect for home use or in a salon, and can be used on various body parts, including the bikini area, armpits, legs, arms, and back. The heating coil quickly melts the wax, usually within 20 to 30 minutes. Its small size and lightweight make it portable, allowing you to remove hair anywhere without needing to visit a salon. It is designed for hair removal, beauty care, and skin maintenance. It is suitable for beauty parlors, salons, spas, and personal use at home. If you are not satisfied with the hard wax machine, let us know within 30 days. You can get a refund or a replacement without any hesitation. What we like? This wax warmer brings the spa experience to your home. It is suitable for total body depilatory needs. If you like the convenience of quick and easy hair removal at home, you should consider this. What people say. The heater is easy to use. It works perfectly. The design is great. Number 2. Roller Waxing Kit Roll-On Wax Kit. This kit includes a small, portable wax warmer, honey roll-on wax, non-woven wax paper, and pre- and post-treatment solutions. It's designed for comfort and calmness for your skin. The 40W wax cylinder ensures quick melting, perfect for personal or family use. This kit is safe for hair removal on all body areas. Before use, heat the wax for 30 minutes. After heating, roll the wax on the paper 3 to 5 times before applying it smoothly to your skin. This waxing kit is ideal for removing unwanted hair from legs, back, chest, arms, face, and underarms. It's gentle on the skin, suitable for salons, spas, or home use. It's also a perfect gift for friends and family. The viewing window helps you monitor the wax's melting state. Make sure the wax is fully melted before use. Avoid leaving the power on for more than 5 minutes to maintain the wax temperature. If you're not satisfied, let us know. We're committed to providing solutions and refunds. We will respond to your concerns within 24 hours. What we like. This kit is designed to be safe and easy to use, making hair removal a breeze. It is suitable for various body areas. If you are looking for a complete and user-friendly waxing solution, you should choose this. What people say. The heater works perfectly. The design is sleek and modern. It heats up the wax quickly and evenly. Number 1. Portable cartridge wax warmer for hair removal, 05 #. This professional wax melting machine is made of ABS material, which is environmentally friendly and safe. It melts wax quickly, saving you time. You can enjoy salon-quality hair removal in the comfort of your own home. The base and the waxing machine are detachable, making it easy to clean. The transparent design lets you see the wax level without opening it. It's designed for easy use with hair removal wax. This machine removes hair effectively without irritation. With regular use, it completely removes hair, leaving your skin clear and radiant. Use it every 3 to 4 weeks for best results. First, heat the wax particles in a wax heater to the working temperature. Then, apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. After the wax hardens, remove it against the direction of hair growth. This wax warmer is suitable for removing body hair from various areas, including the bikini area, back, legs, arms, face, armpits, eyebrows, and beards. It helps you achieve long-lasting smooth skin with ease. What we like. This machine provides fast and effective hair removal. It is suitable for various body areas. If you like a professional-grade hair removal experience at home, you should consider it. What people say. Love it, works great. Take about 20 to 30 minutes for the wax to melt. Easy to use, great and efficient. Makes my work so much faster. Worked great. It's so easy to use and the results are amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.